Okay, we are going to create the chart or the pie chart, pie graph, whatever, and your logo. We're going to start with your logo. We create these things in PowerPoint. Again, this is after you finish your rough draft. We do this first, so go to the blank. You can get rid of these. So you figure out what you want. If you just want initials, you think about the logos. The swoosh is just very simple, but I like something to be personable. Every year I always do a cross of some kind online. It can be anything that's trademarked. So I'll just type in cross. Just a very generic. Black and white. This is for your logo, so you want to keep it simple. So here's a cross. Oops. Go back. Always can go back. So get rid of that little thing. So now you want to make it your own. If you want to design the background of the back, so you go design, format background, and then go to picture or text. See if I can zoom in on that. It says picture or text. When you see the background changes, you can go online and find something. This says background. I don't know what that is. Okay. I'm all about the blue, but you have to think about the big picture. So I know my brochure is going to be mostly blue, so I'm going to look for something else. I don't see anything, so I'm going to look at red and yellow. That's pretty bold. It's too much. I'm just going to say red. And there's different textures. Insert. So I like the way that looks. Okay, we're gonna go back so we can see the top of that. Okay. So now we have this background. This is transparent. I still want to make it more my own. So, and you need to also. So online pictures, I like basketball and volleyball. But again, you can keep it simple. So I want to keep it classic. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to choose this volleyball. It's nice where I can just get rid of that pops up. They're trying to help you design it. Get rid of that. So I'm going to make it small where you can, it's there but it's subtle. You can always go to format and go to, I don't know, see if I can make it darker. Anyway, it's light enough. So then I'm going to insert another. I'll do basketball. I want to try to find one that is similar to the volleyball that's like see-through. I don't see it. So if you don't see one, you can X out, go to Chrome, and you should click your Google tab and then type in, let's see if this works, transparent basketball. You click on images. As you can see, some of them, you can see these little squares back here. That makes it to where you don't see the background. Okay, so here's one. So I'll take that one. You can just right click and then save image as. Make sure it goes to pictures. Hit save. Okay, but you're gonna have to change the title of it. It says images, but I just type just a bunch of whatever, it doesn't matter. And then hit save. So now I'm gonna go back to my PowerPoint and I'm going to insert, and you just go insert pictures. And it takes you to your pictures. You find your basketball and you insert. Okay, so because of this, you can get rid of this background. So you click on the image, should be on format, and then you go to color right here. And then go to set transparent. And then you click where you want it transparent. Ooh, that didn't work. Okay, I tell you, everything changes when you go to the internet. Everything changes. No. This is not what I want. Okay. So all these options. Okay, that worked. That's good enough. I'm not gonna complain about that. I wanna make it the same size as my volleyball. So right there, what I did, I went to corrections, and then I found one. I didn't go to color. I went to corrections. Okay, so anyway, that's good enough. Okay. So there, it's not perfect, like I said. Just, there's a volleyball, there's a basketball. And now I'm gonna put my initials. So I'm gonna insert a text box. Because remember, everything has to be on a text, everything. The reason we do it on PowerPoint is because you can layer everything. It's not like in Word document and Publisher. It's really hard to layer stuff. But on PowerPoint, it lets you layer stuff. So because this is dark, I'm going to have to use some white font. So I'm going to type the letter C. Go here to your font color, which is this A right here. And choose white. Well, I guess I have to highlight it because I can't see it. If you can't see it, just like make it bigger. Okay, highlight it and then it's white. Now I can see it. Now I want to get the letter the way that I want it. Of course I want it bigger. I want it outlined. it automatically goes to that. So text fill is going to be white, or the outline could be white. Text fill, it could be red or this other color. Go to home. I'm going to make it bigger. Or I could want a pop of yellow. Let's try that. Font color, yep. And then I can go to my black outline. And remember, for the outline, you can make it the outline thicker. So I want a thicker. Okay. I want to change the, or maybe I'll just put a W instead of a C. So all you have to do, I'm going to change this, change the font to a different type of font. And the benefit, it shows you, it gives you a preview of what it is. So don't spend all, oh, that's kind of neat. Don't spend all day on a font like I do sometimes. You don't have time. Like I said, I think I'm gonna change this to a W. Since it's just Walker. How about that? Figure out how to move it. That looks kind of neat. Okay, so once you do that, you want to save. Hit save and then put this PC. And you want to title it logo. Hit save. And once you finish that, then we're going to move on to our chart. So I'm going to stop this. So I'll show you what to do in a little while. So we got the volleyball, the basketball, and my initial on a cross. That's my logo.